Hi everyone! If you're looking for a compact gaming desktop that packs serious performance without taking over your entire desk, today's product is definitely worth checking out. And if you decide this is the right mini PC for your setup, you'll find the purchase link waiting for you in the video description below. The TOPGRO T1 Mini Gaming PC proves that you don't always need a massive desktop tower to enjoy a capable gaming and productivity experience. At first glance, its compact size is the first thing that stands out. It's small enough to fit almost anywhere, making it perfect for clean desk setups, apartments, dorm rooms, home offices, or entertainment centers. Despite its small footprint, the hardware inside is built to handle much more than everyday computing. Powering this system is the Intel Core i9-9980HK processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it offers excellent multitasking performance for users who switch between multiple applications throughout the day. Whether you're editing videos, streaming content, browsing with dozens of tabs open, working on creative projects, or enjoying your favorite games, this processor has enough performance to keep everything running smoothly. Graphics performance comes from the dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4 GB of video memory. That's a huge advantage compared to systems that rely only on integrated graphics. Popular games such as Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, GTA 5, Rocket League, and many esports titles can deliver enjoyable frame rates at 1080p when paired with the right settings. The dedicated graphics card also helps speed up creative software, making photo editing, video rendering, and graphic design feel much more responsive. Another highlight is the included 16 GB of DDR4 memory. For most gamers and everyday users, this amount of RAM provides an excellent balance between performance and efficiency. You can comfortably multitask, stream videos, run office software, browse the web, and even keep several demanding programs open without the system feeling sluggish. Storage is equally impressive. The built-in 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD provides fast boot times, quick application launches, and noticeably shorter loading screens in games. Instead of waiting around for your computer to start, everything feels immediate and responsive. The generous storage capacity also gives you plenty of room for your games, work files, photos, videos, and favorite applications without constantly worrying about running out of space. Visually, the RGB lighting gives the TOPGRO T1 a modern gaming aesthetic without being overly flashy. It adds personality to your desk setup while maintaining a clean and premium appearance. Whether you're creating a gaming station or a stylish workspace, the lighting complements the compact design nicely. One of the strengths of this mini PC is its connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi 6E, you get faster wireless networking, improved stability, and lower latency on compatible routers. Bluetooth 5.3 makes connecting wireless headphones, gaming controllers, keyboards, and speakers quick and reliable. If you prefer the consistency of a wired connection, the Gigabit Ethernet port is ready for fast downloads, online gaming, and large file transfers. The display connectivity is another feature that makes this compact computer surprisingly flexible. With 2 HDMI ports capable of outputting up to 4K at 60 Hz, you can easily connect dual monitors for a more productive workspace or a more immersive entertainment setup. Having 2 screens makes multitasking much easier, whether you're editing videos, monitoring a live stream, keeping Discord open while gaming, or simply organizing your workflow. The TOPGRO T1 also comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, so you can start using it right out of the box. The operating system offers a modern interface, enhanced security features, and excellent compatibility with today's software. There's no need to spend extra time installing Windows before getting started, which is always a welcome convenience. What really makes this mini PC stand out is its versatility. It isn't built for just one type of user. Gamers can enjoy smooth gameplay in many popular titles. Creators can take advantage of the dedicated graphics for editing and design work. Students can use it for research and assignments, and professionals can rely on it for office tasks and multitasking. Its compact design also makes it an excellent choice for anyone with limited desk space who still wants desktop-class performance. Of course, it's important to have realistic expectations. While the GTX 1650 remains a capable graphics card for 1080p gaming, it isn't designed to max out every brand new AAA title at ultra settings. However, For competitive games, casual gaming, content creation, media streaming, and daily productivity, it continues to deliver dependable performance. When you combine that with the fast Intel Core i9 processor, responsive SSD storage, generous memory, and modern wireless connectivity, the overall experience feels balanced and enjoyable. Another advantage of this compact desktop is how quiet and efficient it can be compared to many full-sized gaming towers. Since it occupies very little space, cable management becomes much easier, and your workstation looks cleaner and more organized. Whether you're building your first gaming setup or upgrading from an older desktop, the small footprint is something you'll appreciate every day. Overall, the TOPGRO T1 Mini Gaming PC offers an impressive combination of performance, compact design, fast storage, dedicated graphics, and modern connectivity. It proves that you don't need a huge desktop to enjoy gaming, content creation, and everyday computing. If you're searching for a mini gaming computer that delivers solid value while fitting neatly into almost any workspace, this model is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more technology reviews, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing the TOPGRO T1 Mini Gaming PC, don't forget to check the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.